Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into how to use your Fingerhut credit card online. Whether you are making a purchase or managing your payments, I will walk you through each step. Let's get started. Now this is Fingerhut's account dashboard. Now you have to go to home and search for your expected products or browse for shopping. Now for example, I'm picking this Apple earbuds. The detail page of this product will open up. As you can see, this is the detail page of this product, and you can add this product to your cart, and here you can get the information you need to know about this product. Click on add to cart to add this product to your shopping cart, and the top right corner you will find this shopping cart option. Click on it, and in this page you can see the earbuds has already added to my shopping cart. Don't forget to check the total amount of this product. Now you can click on this checkout button to make a purchase. Now in this section, the secure checkout section, you have to add your first name, your middle name, last name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, zip code, and primary phone. Also you can use different phone number, and after you have entered the proper details, the personal details you can say, then click on continue, and the second and third process will be started. The second process or the third process can be make a purchase, make a payment, or something like this. Then you can add your Fingerhut credit card details like your account number, your expiration date, and CVV. Double check your information that you have entered. This is the last chance to change your information. After completing all these 3 steps, then you can make a purchase from Fingerhut. If you have enough credit in your credit card, Fingerhut credit card, then they will minus it from your account. And there you have it. Using your Fingerhut credit card online is straightforward. If you have any questions or run into issues, Fingerhut's customer service is just a call or click away. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.